YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What's Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, before we get into this vid, I gotta give a shout out to my sponsor, Into the AM. You already know. Use my discount code WAVY80, or you can use the discount link in the video description below and save. Check them out. They got the hoodies, the joggers, the tees. You name it! Oh, they got more than that, brother. I see they got some tough flannels and a plaid joint. Nice for a little subtle step out, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, check them out. Discount code WAVY80 or link in the video description below. Save. All right, so yeah, you already see by the title of the vid, you already know. This is the week that everybody that hit on the shot drop is gonna be doing their reviews and they're on feet. As long as you get the F out my way and know that I'm top of the night, you know what I'm saying? I did hit on the reimagined. They did have some rules this time on the sneakers app. It was something, I don't know, I think you had to like miss out on the reimagined ones, and I'm thinking about the threes too, or it was a 1 and 3, something, you know what I'm saying? But anyway it went, once I saw them rules, and I don't really read like that, I was like, whoa, that's my man.
I met the criteria to be selected.
Get me on that list. I meet the qualifications and you ain't gonna push me out like Isaiah Thomas, you know what I'm saying?
But I wasn't.
I was waiting for the EA or whatever. And you know, my joint ain't coming through. So I was like, oh, all right, so Isaiah Thomas? All right, yeah, they didn't have me on the list at first. So what happened was, after the jail, because I think the list came out around 12 o'clock. So after I get home, I'm chilling. I ain't even go front of it. I'm in the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Pulled out the phone. I went on the joint and it had the price. I was like, oh, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Let me get these joints. Now, I know there's been a lot of back and forth. A lot of people ain't really rocking with it because they suede. I've never owned the suede joints. Do they kind of remind me of like the KOs or something? Possibly, but I never had a pair of suede joints, but I do like the Royals, you know what I'm saying? I want to check these joints out, and my motto is, if I'm iffy, as long as I'm paying under retail, I don't give a F. All right, so enough of that, man. Wavy magic time.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, hope that worked, cause
I can't do this anymore.
All right, then off rip, boom. Got a cool little Nike box right here, you know what I'm saying? Nike lettering in shiny royal, like the shiny suit, man. Air Jordan 1, retro high, black royal, size 10. And they not already.
I said no, man.
I ain't seen these joints in here. Okay, they put enough paper on these joints. I'm gonna be doing B-roll after this, so yeah, the paper ain't gonna be neat like this. Okay. And them joints go right here. Boom. Yeah, like they suede. So okay, now I get to see the difference between suede and nubuck. I take that back. The suede, I'm not really worried if water spills on it. Not saying that I'm not gonna spray them down, but these look more like, I remember it was this old school Air Jordan photo. If I got it, I'm gonna put the joint up. This looks more like them joints that he had on. I mean the Royals, but it looks like more close. It looks like more close. I believe if I would have passed on these, I would have eventually like been kicking myself and been like, yo, but yeah, hopefully these are like the those satins, and they be under retail on StockX or something like that. That's another sneak that, well, you already know I picked them joints up. Military discount it is, you know what I'm saying? Anybody trying to use military discount, always, I got a video on how to go about that. So you can put that joint in. Now forget about the 20%, it's no 20%. This is something that I didn't add in the video. If that person on that chat is asking too many questions like, oh, it didn't let you put in the discount, but no, fool, we trying to go after this nigga. I ain't got time to, oh, it dropped, let me go get the discount and then wait for the email and then see if oh no, you out of there. So, no, I did. And if they start telling you some stuff like, let me see if hell no. You know what I'm saying? It's some wording that I be looking for, like, hey, you know, thank you for your service and all that. And yeah, I'm about to work on that right now. All right, cool. But once all that, let me see, you better go tell. You know? Anyway, man, so here them joints go, man. Let's do this review. Boom. You got the Air Jordan 1 sole right there. It's royal blue. Got your Nike Air lettering and the swoosh right there. Take it up to the top. You got them stars. You know what I'm saying? Medial side, you see here's that blue sole at the bottom. You also see that white midsole. Then take it to the upper. The upper is all suede. Black color blocking going around the toe box. We'll get to the toe box later. Black color blocking in the mid panel and taking up about 75% of the eyelets right there. Royal blue color blocking that wraps around the heel. Got your Nike swoosh right there. Boom. And then the upper is royal blue. Break up the monotony. The mid panel black extends and wraps just underneath the ankle. Take it to the lateral side. What side is this? This side gets all the what? Lateral side, same as the medial side as far as the sole and midsole goes. Royal blue, white, keep that joint clean. The upper, same as the medial side. You got your royal blue going around the heel right here. Black mid panel, all right here. Boom, wrapping around the toe box, going up almost the eyelets right here, and breaking up the monotony right there. Got your royal blue Nike swoosh right there. Take to the top, you got your royal blue section right there. You got your patented Air Jordan 1 wings in black with the Air Jordan lettering. All the way up to the top is black. This wraps around all the way to the medial side as well. Looking at the toe, you do see hits that sole, white midsole. You got your black section wrapping around the toe box. The toe box itself is royal blue. You got your perforated holes right there. The black laces that I always forget about.
And I didn't see this till after the review. They come with an extra set of laces that are royal blue, but I'm gonna stick with the black. Or
black tongue leading all the way up to the Nike Air lettering and the swoosh in royal blue. That's stitched. Take to the back, you see hits of that royal blue sole right there, white midsole, royal blue wrapping around the heel. Get your little tab right there, breaking up the monotony on both sides. Got your black lines right here. Up here is royal blue. Take it to the collar right above the Achilles is black. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's some movement. It's movement. I like the movement. I definitely do. Right. Will he do it? Will he do it? And I hope this will be cool. If it's not white, it's royal blue. I ain't even look. Black and royal blue insole, Nike Air lettering in the swoosh and royal blue. And if I missed anything, my bad. Yeah, man, let me know. Y'all gonna cop these joints or y'all gonna chill out on these? I mean, I know a lot has been dropping over the past few weeks. And like I said, a lot of people are not into these. They do like the leather. These are in no way, shape, or form better than the leather to me at all. That's to me. But yeah, nah, I'm definitely glad I copped though. These are not something that I'm just gonna put on ice. But the thing about these is, I don't think you're gonna get to have that pixie dust effect on these. I just don't believe you will. But anyway, man, yeah, man, coming up next, you got them secured. Yeah, the cherries is dropping, definitely secured. What else? Oh, and I wanna get a little wave repair. This is color right here. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all already know. Top 5 best on foot on these joints. Word. And I gotta shout out the Wave Mob. Everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter B. But that Snaps. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see when I see.
The definition of fly. That's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max Bigger Belly. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow.
I ain't not thinking about niggas, but if they come with the triggers, nigga, they all can bleed. Nigga, they all can bleed. I told your hoe to get with us. Shorty, I drip on the dribble. She licking it off for me. She licking it off for me. Shooters with me, you ain't acting right, man, they'll do you wrong. Hammers booming like a shaka-laka, then I move along. Coolin' now and I be coolin' and I make the coolest songs. Cooler how I wanna cool. 09, I was cool. Learn your history. 505 and 28, that was my street. 10 of us lived in a house and half the house was shooting deep. Remember stepping over needles in the backyard, shit get deep. In my right hand was the Cheeto back. Now I need a needle cash. Lotus like a lotus, know them flying things. Bzz. Go on hocus pocus, know them flying things. Ever since the youth was in the trying things new. Shooby-dooby-doo, how many souls ain't got a clue now? Who y'all beat it for? I make a fool, y'all shoes, y'all new ride. Green dot on your forehead, you retarded, fuck it, booyah. Beat it for a nigga, make a fool, y'all shoes, y'all new ride. Green dot on your forehead, you retarded, fuck it, booyah. For the world, that's what I'm feeling like. On top of your girl, I got a screaming die. One time for them faces, Beezle. Keep the loudest of the loudest and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get down, please keep your feet in the sand. Homie P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Homie P Dice with the man. They look I said it now scram. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of ice on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You a squeeze a grease soul. fry my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You a exquisite grease soul.
Everything y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy, I do other things.